In the previous video, we have done configuring port security on the switch 1. Next, in this video, we are going to do testing. So first, let's configure an IP address for all server and PC. Here, let's say the IP address is 192.168.1.1. In this case, we don't need a gateway, because all of this computer will be in the same block subnet. Remember that we need a gateway if we want to communicate with others' computer in the different block subnet. So, in this case, we don't need a gateway. Next, let's configure the IP address for server 2. Desktop, IP configuration, and the IP address is 192.168.1.2. Next, server 3. The IP address is 192.168.1.3. And last, for the PC, the IP address is 192.168.1.4. And here for the hacker computer, let's change the name. And the IP address is 192.168.1.5. Now, let's test the communication between all server and PC. Server 1 to PC, success. Server 2 to the PC, success. And server 3 to PC, this is also success. So now communication between all server and PC is okay. Now, let's test the port security on fast Ethernet 0/1. We can unplug the cable from server 1 and then connecting the cable to the hacker. Now, let's try to send packet from hacker. Okay, here we can see that now the interface is red. This means that the interface is shut down. Let's check in the switch. To show port security interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Here we can see that now the status is secure shutdown. Okay, now let's say we know about the hacker. So we run to the data center and plug the cable back to the server. Okay, here the problem is the interface is still shut down even we already plugged the cable back to the server 1. The question is how we can enable this interface. Let's try it. Go to interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Let's try no shutdown. Here we can see that the interface is still shut down. The light is still red. So we cannot enable the interface using command no shutdown. Let's try again. No shutdown. Here the interface is still shut down. So what is the right command? To enable the interface shutdown by port security like this, we need to use shutdown command first and then no shutdown. Okay, here we can see that now the interface is up. So remember, we need to shut down the interface first and then no shutdown. Now, let's check again. To show port security interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Here we can see that now the status is secure up. So now server 1 is up again. I think enough for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.